Hey there, food lovers. Today, we're diving into some delicious dishes that you might want to enjoy in moderation. We're talking about foods that can be a bit hard on your kidneys. Now, I know these taste amazing, and it's okay to indulge sometimes. But let's explore some healthier alternatives that are just as tasty. First up, we have smoked meats like bacon, ham, and hot dogs. While they add a great flavor to your meals, it's best to enjoy them in moderation and opt for healthier protein sources like chicken and fish. Next on the list are soups high in sodium, such as potato chip soup. It's always a good idea to keep an eye on your sodium intake and choose healthier options like fresh fruit and vegetable soups instead. Now for those comfort food cravings, processed cheese. While it may be a go-to for making sandwiches or adding flavor to your dishes, try swapping it out for healthier cheese alternatives or even incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet. Lastly, fast food may be convenient and tasty, but it's best consumed in moderation. Instead of reaching for the drive-thru, why not whip up some delicious meals at home using fresh ingredients? You can find some great recipes in my cookbooks. So there you have it, folks. Remember to enjoy these foods in moderation and focus on maintaining a balanced diet with healthy alternatives. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more tasty tips. Until next time.